guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like crypto? Are you looking for the top coins to invest in for 10x, 20x, even 50x in the next bull run? Then you came to the right video, because in this one we'll be talking about the top 3 cryptocurrencies or tokens to consider for the near future in order for you to have some potential good investment for your money. Before we start this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. And guys, we start with the project number 1. We have Mask Network. What's Mask Network? Well, simply spoken here, Mask Network is a portal that enables users to access the world of Web3 and seamlessly sending encrypted messages and cryptocurrencies all over the place here. And in addition, you can access also DApps. DApps stands for decentralized apps. Anything starting with a D is a decentralized, which is the realm of cryptocurrency and blockchain. And as you can see here, it's summarized in a simple sentence. Mask Network brings privacy and benefits from Web3 to social media like Facebook, Twitter, and so on with an open source browser extension, meaning that you can rely on this here, on this project, to gather information and to bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 in a very intuitive way. And using this project actually will enable you to have a better performance and enhanced capabilities for your projects. As you can see here, it's quite simple. You install it, you log in with Mask ID and connect your wallet, and then use familiar Web 2 sites and enhance with Web 3 integrations. As I told you, it's integrating or bridging between Web 3 and Web 2. We're still between Web 2 and Web 3. We're still not fully in Web 3 and still existing in Web 2, like Facebook, like Twitter, like whatever. You will find that this will take some time, but this project kind of bridges and helps to seamlessly getting into the realm of Web 3 and getting all the benefits of using Web 3. So in short here, Mask Network wants to bring the new and open internet to already existing social media platforms and to help you move into the Web 3. You can scroll through it and you can familiarize yourself with what's going on, and you will find that actually the platform is quite intuitive and easy and self-explanatory here, and you will find a lot of benefits from using this one here. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below in the description and see what's going on, inform yourself more, because this project actually has a lot of way to grow and has a lot of potential. And I would say we're in the social media era now. It would be beneficial for you as well to get involved in such a project. The second project I have for you here is a well-known one, Chainlink. Of course you heard about Chainlink before. As the name states, it's a chain link. Literally, it's a chain link. It links everything here. It's an industry standard Web3 service platform connecting people, businesses, and data of today within the Web3 world of tomorrow. That's why it's called Web3 or the chain link, and Web3 is kind of integrated within the chain, within the Web3 or within the chain link protocol. You can develop with chain link, or you can actually explore the solutions. Of course, you know that chain link had a massive, gigantic bull run back in 2020 or 21, and things went massive. It went from few cents to some astronomical numbers, and then of course the crypto market kind of deflated a little bit, and of course this got affected. But this project has a lot of potential because it bridges and it connects everything you want in the Web3, and it's actually building now a major good connection to familiarize yourself with everything and to enhance your experience and your products on the Web3 as well. So I would say it's known as a decentralized oracle network or blockchain abstraction layer, meaning that you can actually use it as a layer to build on and to have some good capabilities here. And of course it has been mentioned everywhere, it has been used everywhere. It's an open software over here, and you can find actually powering the future of smart contracts. You can find that Synthetic are using them, and you can find that Chainlink is getting involved in major projects in the cryptocurrency space. You will find that the platform is well sorted and well organized, and you will find all the information you need in a very intuitive way. And you can watch videos on YouTube. You can familiarize yourself, of course, before getting involved in anything. That's your right to get yourself all the information you need before investing or before using any service online if you're a developer. My personal humble overview here, that this project has already a successful future, and it already had a successful one with the last bull run. So here a lot of things had changed and they developed and they refined a lot. So I would expect that they will have a massive, gigantic success in the future, near future, and also long-term future. But this one here is a definite one to follow and definite one to pay attention to. Third project I have for you here is Ecomi. That's a blockchain-based platform to purchase, store, and collect licensed digital collectibles. Digital collectibles meaning arts, meaning NFTs, you name it, whatever. Digital collectibles, these can be a new assets class that provide intellectual property owners with a novel revenue sources in the digital space. So here that's a very interesting concept, and it's a very intuitive of software, and it's a very intuitive program as well, or project. You will find that everything you need here is well sorted, and you will also find that here the white paper is self-explanatory, and you will find that Ecomi, actually it's a blockchain technology, enables digital collectibles to be unique asset that cannot be duplicated whatsoever. So as you can see here, that's a white paper. You can read through it, you can go through all the details, and of course they have the frequently asked questions section. You can familiarize yourself with what's going on here, but generally speaking, you will find that this project will enable you, or according to the white paper, Ecomi Collect is a digital collectible marketplace where users acquire, trade, and exchange the licensed digital collectibles and other virtual goods in the form of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Of course, you heard about this term, and the network combines the Ethereum protocol to solve the issue of low transaction speed and network congestion to achieve a viable DApp, or decentralized app infrastructure. So this one here will give you everything you need for a digital acquiring of any assets or any good non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short. So here you will find yourself familiar with everything here if you're already involved with NFT. If you haven't, then I would advise you to have a look at NFT, get more familiar with the concept, and then you will find that this project actually has a very smart approach and has a very smart idea behind it, that it can get you into the habit of buying NFTs or collecting NFTs. On the longer run, this project has the potential to grow and to double, quadruple, even 10x in price, who knows. But of course, I would advise you to check it out and then inform yourself more before making any decision. But here things are looking very promising because the market is starting to pick up again, and I would advise you to inform yourself and to keep up with the information. You don't necessarily have to act immediately, but keep up with the information, and then at some point you will find the sweet spot for you to get involved in any of the projects. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the top 3 cryptocurrencies to consider if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, and these have the potential to go all the way up 10x, 20x, even more. Of course, I would highly recommend you to check it out yourself, inform yourself more, check the links down below, get yourself more involved. Things in the cryptocurrency space are starting to move again, so that can present you a golden opportunity to make a lot of profit, but you need to invest in information, you need to invest in knowledge, and you need to inform yourself more as things move. As usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next one, bye-bye.